Okay, so here's how you do it. You go to Settings, Messenger Platform, Customer Chat Plugin, Setup, Next, and then bing, bing, like that. Hit copy, and then you take that code, and then you go to the website. Now it all depends. Like here, insert directly after opening the body tag on each page where you want it to appear. But there's a customer chat plugin that you can get that, well, I'll just send it to you that way because the one we use I think is different. So for the WordPress site, you download the plugin, you upload the plugin, and then you use it, and it'll ask you to put the code in, and you put the code in, and it's as simple as that. For the non-WordPress one, you just got to put it in like they say, after opening the body tag. Okay, hope that helps. See ya.